This is well said that your days filled with happiness will teach you something or not, but your gloomy days, when you have tried to confront all the obstacles or hurdles, will definitely teach you a lot. Those miserable days taught me such a big lesson which I would never ever forget. Hello everyone. I still remember that time when I had been stressed for more than 2 months. And irony is this, getting stressed or depressed in today's time doesn't sound surprising at all, because every next person is suffering from such things. And yes, I had also been one of those people. Being an immature person, I couldn't ever imagine that I'm going to face a phase in my life where I would not even like to live. I would see people around me getting stressed or depressed. I would see people around me suffering from such things. But just due to the lack of understanding, to understand all the bad situations of life precisely, I kept on believing that it has happened with those people only. It will not happen with me. And yes, it was not any silly mistake of mine. It was a blunder that I attempted. That I kept on denying the reality just to satiate myself. And yes, this is the biggest problem which is happening with almost all. That this is not the reason that we cannot see the reality. We can see, but we don't want to see it. I also did the same kind of mistake. I was well aware with this, that these things may happen with me at any time, but I didn't believe it. I didn't accept it. When everything started happening with me, when I started getting stressed, I started finding neither I was aware with where my life was leading me, nor I was able to find what exactly was happening with me. I kept on living my life for such a long duration in doing the things which were not adding worth to my life, in being in the touch with social media, or in being surrounded with the people so that I could forget about all the problems. But it was not the ultimate solution of my problem by any manner of means. As I would just get back to my routine, everything would start happening with me again. I kept on being suggested to watch something motivating, to do the meditation, to spend some time for my hobbies. But nothing could help me, nothing could figure out my actual problem. I kept on getting stressed more and more with each passing day. But one day, I was blessed with a ray of hope to transform my life. While talking to one of my friends, I got to know about introspection. And today, if I am able to express myself standing on this stage, it's just because of introspection. Basically, introspection is all about talking to self more and more, raising the right question, and trying best to find out the answers of all those questions. I started doing introspection since I got to know about it. While introspecting, I came across a set of multiple reasons that wasn't letting me live my life happily or peacefully. I came to know about myself through the introspection only, that I had been completely dependent on the people. And yes, dependence is the thing which ruins your entire life and doesn't even let you know when did it start and how did it start. Whether one is mentally, emotionally or financially dependent on someone, it will definitely bring a disaster in one's life where one would not even prefer to live. When I had finally come to know about my reason of getting stressed, then too I didn't stop being dependent on the people. I started becoming dependent for some other things. That was the solution of my problem to get rid of the stress. As I would think that someday somebody would bring me the solution of my problem and all the problems will get solved. As the doctor gives us medicine to cure our illness and our illness gets cured. But nothing happened like this. I was completely wrong. Next is, I wasn't truthful with myself. Being truthful with self is all about understanding that your words matter most for you. Whatever the goals or determinations you are making, you must be very, very honest to accomplish them. When you are unable to accomplish your goals, you will start having the lack of confidence. As well as you would start believing that you are not truthful with yourself. Because one day you had decided to do something and next day you are denying to do it. I also did the same mistake, that I would set some targets or goals, but I would not work to accomplish them. Consequently, I stopped believing myself. And that was also the reason that I kept on getting stressed. Next is impersonation. Impersonation is all about getting fascinated towards someone and trying best to be like them without knowing the reason or purpose. When one incepts impersonating someone, he incepts losing himself with each passing moment. Because in order to impersonate someone, either one has incepted changing himself or one has incepted pretending to be what one is not. At last, finding the self, not exactly the person who is being impersonated, gives us a lot of stress. And the same thing happened with me. Next is, I spent more and more time with the people than with self. Just due to the lack of understanding, to understand the reality of the life, I would always prefer to be very sociable with the people. I would think that being with many people can only teach me to take the right decision, or can only help me to find the solutions of my problems. But it couldn't help me at all. Later on, I realized since the moment when one accepts knowing himself, one accepts being with himself, one accepts knowing his real potential, strength, loopholes or drawbacks, at where the work of reformation is to be done, as per me, nothing can be better than that. I would like to tell to everyone that others can share their worthy experience, guidance, knowledge, but what exactly is happening with you, only you can be well familiar with that. At last, I would like to wrap up my words just with this small suggestion that introspection is one of the best ways to get rid of your all the problems. The more you'd be talking to yourself, more you'd be spending time with yourself, more you'd be thinking about your problems deeply. Instead of seeking for the solution to the people, you'd be able to find the solution of your all the problems by yourself only. Because if a problem starts within, the solution is not in the outer world. It also lies within. Always remember, if a problem starts within, the solution is not outside, solution is also within. Thank you.